Welcome to the JMC Pool's journey of transformation in sunny Florida. We're on a mission to bring the best to this giant pool, and that's why we choose Jandy. Why settle for sufficient when you can have superior performance and efficiency? With Jandy, it's not just about protecting your investment, it's about protecting your bottom line. Dropping in with ease, Jandy equipment is engineered to replace existing setups with minimal plumbing adjustments. Built to last, our equipment is designed for durability, ensuring it performs for the long haul. And when you choose Jandy, you're not alone. Our superior customer service and dedicated training team are always here to support you. Ready to take your pool to the next level? Contact JMC Pools today, your trusted Jandy dealer, and let our team help you make the most of your pool experience. Dive into excellence with Jandy and JMC Pools.